So to do any type of task, you need to have some resources. And what you can do with Microsoft Project is you can easily work around with a resource list. And for that, you can go around over here onto the view section right here. And then over here, you can see resource seat is an option. If I were to go around and click right here, then now you access the resource seat right here, as you can see. So over here, you can go around and add in a resource name. Let's say, for example, over here, if I were to go around over here onto the Gantt chart view right here, on the Gantt chart view, you can see that I got certain tasks like I need the brainstorming and story writing right here. So let's say that is done by a script writer. And in that case, I'm going to go to the resource seat right here. And in the resource name, I'm going to go around and say script writer right here, which is a resource, work resource right here. In the type, you can see it is automatically assigned as work right here. And there's different sort of resources that you can choose. But I'm just going to go around and select work right here. And you can see that an initials is set. And over here, you can see that you can choose around the calendar as well. Let's say if they are working on standard time or part-time or night shift or 24-hour shift right here. So let's say the scriptwriter works a standard hour right here. And the rate at which they work is, let's say, for example, 50 per hour right here. And overtime is 100 right here, just like this. So I can go around over here and set the rate as well, as you can see. So another thing that I want to do is add in a storyboard artist right here. Let's say, for example, and this is set as a work type resource as well. For this one, let's just go around and keep $100 an hour right here, and overtime would be $150 an hour right here, just like this. And this will be working around, let's say, 24 hours. And we're just going around and managing our resource, as you can see right here. We can go to the Gantt chart and see what else we have. So for the shooting, we're going to need some more resources. So let's just go around over here and add in the resources. Let's say, for example, cinematographer right here, just like this. And this is going to be around, let's say, for example, $85 an hour right here. And overtime would be, let's say, for example, $135 right here, just like this. And then you can go around, and this is going to be part-time right here. And after that, I'm just going to go around over here and select, let's say, for example, actors right here, just like this. And for actors, I'm going to go around over here and then set the cost to, let's say, for example, 95. And over here, I'm going to say 110 right here, just like this. And this is going to be part-time over here as well. So when we're working around with this, you can see that there are initials assigned to each one of the resources that we have. So both scriptwriter and storyboard artist, you can see that SS is there. But I'm just going to go around and type in SW right here and SA. And this is what you have, as you can see. I can go around over here. This is the cinematographer and actor right here. And let's say I'm just going to go around and say crew member right here. And for crew member, I'm just going to add in CM right here, just like this. And over here, I'm going to add in CI right here for the initials. So for crew member, let's just go around and type in 45. And then I'm going to type in 65 right here, just like this. Then after that, I'm going to go around and type in editor right here. So for editor, let's say this is going to be around 105 per hour, and let's say, for example, 195 right here for overtime. And you can see that we have a resource right here. We can take a look at the Gantt chart, and over here you can see editing and publishing is there, and there's budget over here, just like this as well. So those are what you can work around with right here. So I'm just going to go around onto view onto resource seat right here. And let's say I'm just going to go around and say accountant right here who looks after a budget over here. So I'm just going to add an AC over here for the initials. And for the accountant, let's say it's going to be 55 per hour, and then 65, just like this as well. And this editor is going to be standard time. Accountant is going to be standard time. For the crew member, it's going to be part-time right here. And that is how we can go around and then set around different timing as per how we want right here, as you can see. So this is what you have, and that is how you can go around and then work around and set a work resource list inside of Microsoft Project for easy management of resources. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.